I'd like to begin this video with a discussion about the archetypal hero's journey. The hero's journey really has 5 elements to it. I'm taking my thoughts in part from my colleague, Dr. Robin McAllister, whom you met in an earlier video posted on our Blackboard page. And as Dr. McAllister sees it, there are 5 elements that define the archetypal hero's journey. And certainly Odysseus is sort of the prototype of this. Um, Joseph Campbell might say the monomyth, that this one hero's journey is the basis for really all journeys subsequent to the writing of the Odyssey. So, what is the first step of the hero's journey? The first step is that there's a hero or a protagonist who is called to a mission, is called to fulfill a mission. Part two is that this hero takes up the mission, agrees to the challenge, and is often called to travel to a distant, foreign, even strange land. Part three is that our hero is met with physical challenges as well as emotional temptations. Um, the temptations often come in the form of a beautiful temptress, seductress, a woman. Um, Part four is that the hero must travel to the underworld or somewhere where he encounters a life and death situation. We'll see in the Odyssey exactly what book it is that Odysseus is called into this underworld or this world of the dead where he encounters his ancestors and is given wisdom. If, in fact, the hero survives this, what's called this crucial encounter, an encounter life and death proportions, then part five would be that the hero has emerged, transformed, and even enlightened by his experience in the underworld or in this crucial encounter. So that gives you kind of the prototype for the hero's journey. And to a lesser extent, we'll see that Telemachus himself in, undergoes a hero's journey as he moves from becoming a young man into a grown man, as he goes from an insecure and unsure world of coming of age into a grown, competent, confident man. And so I hope that this kind of template will help you understand the aspects of Odysseus' journey, but also I think you might notice as you watch movies or read other books um, that this template, this sort of pattern, these 5 elements, are very often evoked by modern writers. In fact, if you're a fan of Tolkien, I'm sure you can recognize this pattern in Lord of the Rings. If you're a fan of Star Wars, you'll see that George Lucas himself has credited Homer as being an inspiration for his wonderful film series. So anyway, that's a little bit about the idea of the hero's journey, and I hope that helps you as we move forward with our reading of the Odyssey.